Hello, and welcome to a new live Zoom info session about Dalman Medical College's programs. Today, I'm going to talk to you about our medical assistant diploma training program. But before that, before I start, please allow me to briefly introduce myself. My name is Maria Lupashku, and I'm the Vice President of Academic Affairs with Dalman Medical College. If you're interested in becoming a medical assistant, there are many things you need to know, and today I'm going to present to you a few of them. First, medical assistant is a career. Medical assistants of all healthcare professionals are the most skilled, having expertise in both clinical and administrative responsibilities. The medical assistant field is growing faster, more than other fields probably, as a result of increased numbers of older Americans requiring healthcare, new medical technology that is used to take care of patients, as well as new physician offices and outpatient care centers constantly opening. Medical assistant is not just a stepping stone toward other things. It is a career choice in and of itself. Some medical assistants, for instance, decide to stay with the same practice or the same physician for their whole career, and that's fine, just because they love the work they're doing, while others are going to choose other avenues. Second, the medical assistant specialties are limitless. As a medical assistant, you are having the opportunity to choose from different specialties. Variety is one of the most interesting characteristics of the medical assisting field. Medical assistant can work in any specialties with any kind of doctors. For example, they can work in pediatrics, podiatry, obstetrics, internal medicine, medical weight loss, just to name a few. The career paths are limitless as well. Your first job is only the beginning of a wonderful journey in the medical field. It is perfectly fine if you decide to stay with the same practice until retirement time, and it's perfectly fine also if you want to branch out to experience work in other specialties, or maybe you want to become a nurse or a radiologist or a physician assistant. Some medical assistants can become office managers of their practices, while others may choose a different path, that of becoming a medical assistant instructor, pursuing a career in higher education. As you see, there are limitless career options, as are limitless career paths. Probably at times you wonder who runs the office and make it more effective. Well, that's the medical assistant, basically. The medical assistants are those who communicate between front and back offices, meaning that they are responsible for moving patients through both. Sometimes, depending on how big the practice is, the medical assistants run the front office all by themselves, being responsible for both scheduling and patient care. In medical field, there is always something new to learn. The field changes all the time, and even if you decided not to change practices, the medical assistant job is evolving. Learning, training, adaptation is always required because technology changes and new innovations arise constantly. As a medical assistant, your main job is to help patients. Some medical assistants get into this field because they need a job, and that's fine. And there is nothing wrong, absolutely nothing wrong with it. But others are interested in doing more. In the medical field, we help people, we change one's life. And this requires some special skills like compassion and nurturing. And that's what makes it meaningful for those who decide to become medical assistants. Another important aspect of medical assistant training is education, certification. Many people are asking us this question: why do I need to come to school? Why do I need to attend these classes? Well, while it is true that one can become a medical assistant through on-the-job training, the certification agencies require education. In order to become a CMA, a certified medical assistant, you need to get a certificate of achievement or a certificate of completion from an approved medical assistant program. There is a big difference between the on-the-job training and the education you receive by going to school. Studying gives you a different perspective on what you have to do as a medical assistant, the details of the job, the knowledge that will make you better at your job, your demeanor with patients, and of course, you will be ready to advance your career. The goal of the medical assistant program at Delmon Medical College is to prepare the best entry-level medical assistants. And we built our curriculum with this purpose in mind. We believe that the medical assistant plays an important role in any healthcare setting, being an important part of the healthcare team, working together with physicians, nurses, and other healthcare professionals. As a medical assistant, you can make a difference in patients' lives. So if you're at the beginning of your professional career, you have to make a choice. If you think you want to change careers, our medical assistant diploma training program could be just the beginning of a new journey. During our program, students will learn critical, direct patient skills that will allow them to perform in-house clinical lab testing and lab specimen collection, record vital signs, administer immunization, and first aid. The medical assistant diploma training program curriculum includes also the study of administrative medical assistant. And that's because medical assistants keep the business running smoothly and has an important role with administrative duties as well. And for this reason, you will study the office skills that will allow you to assist physicians with patient care in a variety of in-office procedures, support clinic management, perform patient data entry and charting, handling medical insurance claims, and other office roles. As a medical assisting student, you will learn and practice in-demand skills from real-world experiences, study phlebotomy, and the soft skills needed to be efficient in your job. For instance, like how to connect with your patients. The clinical externship will take place at our affiliated sites, doctors' offices, and urgent care clinics. During your clinical externship, you will have the opportunity to apply the knowledge gained during the classroom instruction and also practice valuable skills that will prepare you for your workplace. The most important aspect of the clinical externship is that you will have the chance to engage with patients one-on-one, perform medical procedures, collect patient information, and help doctors stay organized and effective. Upon graduation, you will be prepared to take the certification exam in medical assisting. The initial registration fee for the exam is included in your tuition, as well as the registration fee for the phlebotomy exam certification. At this point, Dalman Medical College is approved to accept WIOA, Workforce Innovation Opportunity Act voucher recipients. With this in mind, if you are interested in becoming a medical assistant, you can get your degree in less than a year, about 40 weeks, with our program here at Dalman Medical College. Contact us for more information at 847-675-6295 or visit our website at www.dalmanmedicalcollege.com. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. It will be our honor to have you as our students, and I will see you next Thursday, same time, same place. Thank you.